Hello everyone, I'm Carl Rides and welcome to this unboxing video of the ParcSlope for MacBook and iPad Pro from 12 South. The ParcSlope is a hybrid laptop and tablet stand made from aluminium and available in either silver or the matte black I have here. I got this to replace the old stand I had for my MacBook, which is flimsy and rocks around a lot. Let's take a look what's in the box. Quite a simple unboxing this one. We simply slide off the cardboard sleeve, lift up the flap on the box, and reveal the ParcSlope itself. It has nice resting areas for your Mac or iPad Pro at the top and bottom of the unit. It has a nice weight to it and includes anti-slip feet. I've noticed since using it that the ParcSlope has a nice typing angle, and thanks to its wedge design, I have noticed my machine not getting as hot as it used to when gaming and recording. This is thanks to the increased airflow around the unit. The ParcSlope also has a nice way to manage all of your cables through the cutout in the back. I'll leave a link to this product in the video description below so you can find out more about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!